Let's talk about the Mac Mini because Mini it really is. Is it a coaster or a computer? I recently had to replace my 2015 Mac desktop and went with the Mac Mini, and I'm so glad I did. It's just as powerful as the desktop, and I can customize it with my own monitor and other accessories. It's also ridiculously quiet, not like my other desktop. I'm running a backup here, and you can see there's no noise coming from it. It even has its own speakers, which are not so bad. Here's a sample of what they sound like. So if you need to replace your older Mac desktop, I highly suggest you look into this Mac Mini. It's got all the power without the price tag, and it's working great for me.